Damn. Yeah. Bang. Yeah. Okay. I'm all up on my shit. Call that boy a fly nigga. Y'all be talking shit. Well, you finna die, nigga. Homicide, you see my ride. You see my purple eyes. Bitch, I am an alien coming to my sky. Moonlight, I'm on my hover shit. Your girlfriend, she on her groupie-ish. She lick me down. We play around. Child's play. Chucky now. And I'm on that weed. Your girlfriend want me cause I'm so damn easy. But I go hard, just call it concrete. And if you niggas keep hating, my goons real quick. They got that AK-47. They got that Nina Ross, they got that Tommy for your tummy. And if you hungry, you get fed a plate. It's a meal, motherfucker, you can make it today. But you lazy niggas, you ain't no warriors. And you talking shit, well I will gore you. I mean, I will cook you up, souffle a nigga. But I'm toupee, I'm going nuts. Hey nigga, you talking shit but you don't wanna see me. No, you looking down, you see them goons nigga when they in your town. You talking bullshit with that cow mouth. I'm on that real shit. I'm in the bird house. I'm selling birds now. I'm hitting licks, whoa. You talking shit, you get hit, whoa. There he go, KO on the fucking slow. It's me and Fresh, nigga, and I'm blessed, nigga.
Gucci frame, Marciago, with my Maybach, my toe back. Don't forget about that motherfucking snapback. I am back, bro. Everything respect, cause my name is Fresh. I'm fresh to death, so kill you, bitch. You heard what I said, bitch. I'm trying to get rich, and I'm not gonna stop, little nigga, until I get them bricks. Money to the ceiling, looking bitch until then I am straight slick. Talking to everybody, I think shit. Moving from town to town, looking nigga, and I'm on my shit. No cell phones, no trace of evidence. Study getting money cause I'm study stacking presidents. And everything else after that is irrelevant. I ain't trying to hear bitch, now you see me bailing, man. Bailing from the scene cause I got nothing but green. You know what I mean, bitch. Ride with the team. Sky Gang, bitch.
Yeah. Okay. I've been through a lot, the bottom and top. They locked up the game, I picked at the lock. They talk all that shit, they talking a lot. Cow mouth niggas, bulls all you got. I'm a fly ass nigga, to the top I go. And if I climb this ladder, I will reach my goals. Y'all niggas talking shit, but it's all irrelevant. I'm a real ass nigga, and I'm stacking them bricks. I read Bible sometime, I read church too. I never show up, I thought it was too cool. But at the same time, like, bitch, I'm on mine. I talking shit, going.
Anything after that